Hello kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna make clear slime. So without any further ado, let's get started. This bowl and this spoon.
So guys, next we need gum, and as you know that we are making clear slime, so I have taken here light pink, but at the end it will look crystal clear. So now I am adding some water. Now main part, I am adding activator in my slime so that it will activate, and as you know without activator slime can't activate. So I have shared a video of activator with you guys. So guys, now our slime is ready and it's clear. So definitely make it at home, and I'll show you after 4 or 5 days. So enjoy ASMR. So now I have covered my clear slime with a polythene, and then after 4 or 5 days it will become crystal clear. Guys, after 4 or 5 days our slime is ready and it's crystal clear, and as you can see it's fabulous, really amazing. So now enjoy the video. I really hope that you like this clear slime, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. Bye bye.